What's up, YouTube, and welcome to another video. My name is Nick. In today's video, I'm going to just share with you a couple minutes something that was pretty cool that I received in the mail the other day for Christmas or the holidays, depending on how you celebrate. And so just really quick, I'm going to give a shout out and a thank you to those people over at Payability because they sent me this nice little holiday Christmas card and a gift inside. And so here we go. Basically what it was, I've already opened it. Obviously that's why I'm making the video, because I already know what's going on. So they sent me this nice little card that says Happy Holidays from Payability. Boom. And so on the inside, I opened it right off the bat, you know, that money, $25 Starbucks gift card. So they really know me very well. I don't know who all got this or what it took to get this, but they said, "Dear Nicholas, we wanted to take a moment to thank you for taking the time to refer new customers to Payability over the past year. A customer referral is the best ever compliment we can receive. We are honored to be a part of your e-commerce business as well as that of your friends. Please find a $25 Starbucks gift card enclosed as a small thank you for your huge advocacy. Enjoy a treat on Payability and maybe treat a friend too. Happy holidays, the Payability team." This is so cool because, you know, Payability is sort of a polarizing subject. So some people love Payability, I do, and some people hate Payability, other people, for whatever reason. For me, I love Payability because it gives me instant access. By the way, this is not a sponsored ad. I'm just grateful for this kind gesture and the free coffee. So Payability is a platform and a service where they plug into your Amazon account on the back end, and then whenever you make a sale the next day, they front you your profit less or subtract a small 2% fee, which is how they stay in business. They charge a 2% fee, and then they give you your profits. They do retain a little bit of money just in case you get like a return or something. And so the reason I love Payability is for that, but also because as an affiliate for the company, I do affiliate marketing. And so as an affiliate for the company, when I refer Payability, which is what they're talking about in this card, the people that sign up get a $125 or $150 sign-on bonus. So basically, if you meet the criteria and you sign up for Payability, they give you that I think it's $150. And then they give me a kickback on the other end for promoting. And so that's what they're talking about, the advocacy and that sort of thing. So if you sign up for Payability, you have that opportunity to become an affiliate and make money by recommending them. So it's a win-win-win. Win-win. Little office joke there for you guys. Win-win-win for everybody. The people that get referred, the person that's referring, and Payability, win-win-win. It's the best possible scenario. So I know for a fact that the Payability crew watch my videos, especially when they're based around the Payability subject. And so I just want to say a huge thank you to those people over there at Payability for this really kind gesture. It goes, you know, it means so much to me. And then if you guys want to sign up, here comes the offer. There's a link in the description of this video where you can sign up. And if you meet the criteria for Payability, then you can become an affiliate. You'll also get that $150. You'll get that bonus in your account. The criteria is this. You need to have been selling on Amazon for at least 3 months. You have to have averaged $2,000 per month for the past 3 months. That's an overall average. So if your first month you sold 1,000, and the second month you sold 1,000, and then the third month you sold 6,000, well, you average over $2,000 per month for the previous 3 months. So that's the thing. Average $2,000 of sales revenue for the past 3 months, have been selling on Amazon for 3 months, 90 days, and then have your account in good standing. You can't be below, oh man, I don't know what it is. You can't be in bad standing. So Amazon has to be proud of you and happy with you for this to work. Honestly, it's a huge blessing to be able to have that money coming in really fast so that you can turn around and make more money faster instead of waiting like the 2 weeks or the month or whatever it is to get your profits in the bank. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching this short 5-minute video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one. Peace. And also, one last thing. Like I said, I don't know what the criteria was to receive this gift. I'm not telling you that by you signing up with Payability that you'll get a gift at the holiday season. I honestly have no idea. But that being said, I'm really grateful, and I look forward to doing another year of business with Payability. So yeah.